Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a recipe for a delicious rainbow chocolate cake. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup buttermilk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. For the frosting: 1½ cups unsalted butter, softened, 4 cups powdered sugar, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. For the rainbow decoration: gel food coloring red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Rainbow sprinkles optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 3 8-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt until well combined. Add the buttermilk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix on medium speed with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes. Reduce the speed to low and carefully add the boiling water to the batter. Mix until well combined. The batter will be thin, but that's normal. Divide the batter equally into 6 smaller bowls. Add a few drops of gel food coloring to each bowl to create the rainbow colors. Stir until the colors are well incorporated and vibrantly. Starting with one color, pour the batter into the center of one prepared cake pan. Gently spread it to the edges using a spoon or spatula. Repeat the process with the remaining colors, pouring each color on top of the previous one in a circular motion. Bake the cakes in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, prepare the frosting. In a large mixing bowl, cream the softened butter until smooth. Gradually add the powdered sugar and cocoa powder, mixing well after each addition. Pour in the milk and vanilla extract, and continue mixing until the frosting is smooth and fluffy. Once the cakes are completely cooled, place one layer on a serving plate or cake stand. Spread a layer of frosting on top. Add the second layer of cake and frost it as well. Repeat with the third layer. Use the remaining frosting to cover the sides and top of the cake. Smooth it out with a spatula for a clean finish. If desired, decorate the top of the cake with rainbow sprinkles. Slice and serve the delicious rainbow chocolate cake. Enjoy your colorful and tasty creation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.